Yes, hello and welcome to another video from Benna Rider. Today I want to show you on the Honda CB500X how to set the shift light to, you can set the shift light to come on in a range between 6,000 and 8,000 RPM. So that it kind of flickers and and to show you, that you should change the gear. And maybe some people don't know this, how to do this, or maybe they haven't read the instructions. And here we go. So you have to turn on the CB500X, but before you do this, you have to press the select button. And while pressing the select button, you have to turn on the ignition. So let's do this. So you can set it by pressing the select button on the left hand side. You can go from underneath 6,000 to 8,000 and then go down again. And if you feel comfortable with the like 6,000 RPM here, and you want to set the spread, the range, for this you have to push the set button just once, and then you're in the range setting. Now you use the select button to change the range. So we go, this is a bigger range, very big range, very small range, right? And to finish all this off, you have to go and press the set button. And then you have, basically it starts now at 4,000 RPM and goes all the way to 6,000 to tell you that you have to shift. Let's do this again, and I'll set it back to my 8,000s where I had it before. We turn it on and pressing the select button. Now it's flashing again. Now we press the left button, the select button, to go all the way up to 8,000. There. And now we press the right button to select the range. And it starts at 6,000. I want to have it a little bit higher. So we narrow down the range. We narrow it to maybe 6,300 or something. And this is the range I want. And when I'm happy with that, I press the set button, and then we have everything set for the shift light. And now everything is set on the CB500X, the shift light. Thanks very much for watching. This is Benna Rider out. Take care. Bye-bye.